What's up, my friends? So it's January 2026 and Happy New Year. Okay, so this video I will show you 5 winning products. It's very interesting product. Okay, you will be very surprised that what product I will show you. Okay, and in this 2026 from today the dropshipping is overall changing. Okay, you have to be use the AI, you have to be expert in creative strategy, you have to be very expert in marketing research. Also the product has historically. Okay, so let's start. First of all, which one is our first product? Okay, so I have the Amazon list because Amazon is a very good to find winning product. Okay, so our first product is hand massager airbag, because you already saw this in my thumbnail. This products is showing. Okay, so let's first of all let's see the product. Okay, wait. A hand massager airbag, electric. Okay, electric hand massager with heat and compression split finger. Okay, this is very good product. It's mainly a seasonal product, and we can see that it's at 4.4 star review. If we go to the down, and we will see that this product's customer reviews. Okay, yeah, this is a video. Okay, we can see the video. Okay, so yeah, it will be hand hot. Okay, so Bob and Brad hand massager. Okay, it's very good product. And then we will go to the reviews, customer reviews. Okay, that I got this hand massager for my grandma who has this arthritis in both hands. Okay, and it's been a real game, and I saw this product has not much competition. That's why this is a good product. And also the other reviews is very good. So overall this is very good product. Okay, this is very good product, because it has not much competition, and it's a new product, new angle you can start marketing, because the it has all lot of version, but this is a unique and it's a relevant product. Okay, and we will go to the next product, which is multifunctional beauty device, 4-in-1 neck, face, neck, eye and body massager. Okay, this is also some common products, but you can see that this products 100 plus bought in past months. Okay, and it has 4.4 star review, 442 the ratings. Okay, and we will go to the down, and we will go to the this product images. Okay, everything is very good. Okay, you can use this image by some designing. Okay, let's go to the product reviews, the customer, what customer saying. This is a video. Okay, you can use also, you can use these videos by editing some. Okay, so this is the last reviews of December 18 and 2025. So okay, I was very skeptical at first, but this works. Okay, and I have noticed that noticed a different after few days. Okay, so it's become part of my morning routine. Okay, so everyone saying this is a good product, and we will go to our sheet. Why this is a good product? Because let's go to down. Okay, beyond just marks, hand level devices that combine a red LED therapy, microcurrents. Okay, beauty just makes, and facial message. Why it's winning? It saves consumers money. Okay, and okay, let me mark it. Okay, uh, it saves consumers money on expensive spa visits, and it fits perfectly in for the self-care resolution of the new year. Okay, that's why it's a good winning product. So we will go to our next product, which is portable hydrogen water bottle generator with PAM spray technology, because it's the winter, so it's also seasonal product. So you have because people are always finding the good seasonal products, and to also to a good product that will give a good lives for the winter. Okay, so we will go to the down, and everything is very good. The reviews. Okay, let me see the video. Okay, because everyday people are wants more smart life, more happy life. Okay, they wants to save their time and a easy life. Okay, so this is a pretty cool idea. Customer saying it's easy to use, you just put the water in seal in the lid, push the button. Okay, okay, everything is fine. So let's go to the our sheet. So why? So the wellness community is currently obsessed with hydrogen rich water for this, and antioxidant properties. Why it's winning? Highly perceived value on strong visual wow factor for social media marketing, TikTok reels. Okay, that's why it's a winning product. And we will go to our next product. So pig planter tents kit desktop hydroponics air planet. Okay, so because this products is a decoration products, it gives more pleasure when you are working in your desktop. And let's go to, and you can see that yeah, 5-star reviews 71%, which is good. This is very unique product, unique product. Sorry, I did not see this product before. Okay, and everything's very fine. You can see, if you need the product links, just comment below. Okay, I will help you. Okay, and we will go to the last product. It's very my friend, it's exciting product. 100 plus bought in last month. I always say that just see that which products have in the last month, or this is the current product is running selling. Okay, so this is also a product that good selling. Heated vest for man, woman, lightweight. Okay, we will go to our the list of that. This is the product with advancements in material science, graphene's heated clothing has become more affordable and efficient. Okay, this all everything's my friend data driven. Okay, by research, it's not like random product. AliExpress, not random product. This all products are data driven. I research, that's why I'm giving you. Okay, why it's winning? Because it's a seasonal powerhouse of January. It appeals to commuters. Okay, and outdoors enthusiasts, people living in colder regions. Okay, so who is your target audience? Why people they will buy it? Every reasons I have showed you. Okay, so my friend, these are the 5 products in January. Just comment below when you test it and what problem you face, why it's not selling. Just comment below, inshallah I will help you. Okay,